Today's professionals are looking to eliminate commutes and work more flexible hours, creating a better work-life balance. Entrepreneurs are looking to take advantage of advanced information technology on a small budget. At the same time, large enterprises are searching for better ways to manage their growing teleworkforce, and governmental concerns about the environment and traffic congestion are pushing corporations to keep up with the changing paradigm of the modern office and telework policies. Since its establishment, Officescape's vision for the future of the modern office has had no boundary. Officescape commits itself to enabling business people to escape the bounds of their physical office, allowing them to work from anywhere at any time securely and reliably. As a leading office service and technology company, Officescape integrates state-of-the-art technology with the well-established office suites industry into a mobile, secure, and efficient working platform for today's business professionals. This unique combination makes Officescape the only service provider that seamlessly combines real-world functionality with virtual world convenience.
I work from home, and I use the Officescape Virtual Office every day. The unified communication service keeps me connected to my clients and coworkers no matter where I am. And the professional assistant at Officescape answers my incoming calls, updates my schedule, and handles the administrative work for me.
For startup companies and small businesses, Officescape services provide the ability to set up a local presence in a top business market. In addition, Officescape allows them the agility to establish an online business office and the flexibility to use fully furnished office facilities on demand at Officescape's locations worldwide.
As an Officescape member, if I need to meet with clients, I don't have to do it at my kitchen table. I can easily reserve a private office or professional conference room, just like this one, by the hour, by the day, and only pay for what I use when I use it.
Officescape's Office on Demand service allows members to easily reserve office and conference services and facilities online through a user-friendly web portal. Video conferences, web conferences, and audio conferences can be managed and conducted through the web portal from any remote location or from state-of-the-art Officescape facilities. For established companies and larger corporations, Officescape provides innovative solutions for complex teleworker management issues. Rather than pushing a one-size-fits-all solution, Officescape offers free educational seminars, comprehensive on-site interviews, and a deployment proposal for decision makers. The Office at Anywhere solution allows companies to consolidate buying power and take advantage of economies of scale when purchasing technological services and management tools for their remote workforce. The consolidation of all teleoffice needs into one account allows teleworkers to work securely from a single platform and simplifies the reporting process, resulting in better oversight, better management of remote workers, and tremendous cost savings. Officescape's proprietary thin client, TelOfficeBox, provides a secure way for teleworkers to access information remotely, and customizable back-end reporting tools make it easier for supervisors to accurately report productivity. As you can see, there is a common theme among all the services that Officescape provides, and it is simply this. Officescape seeks to create a new paradigm for the modern office, one that provides a better work-life balance for employees and reduces turnover rates, saving companies millions of dollars. One that takes advantage of technology to provide tools that increase business efficiency for small businesses and enterprises. And one that liberates today's workers from the constraints of a traditional office by allowing them to work securely and reliably anytime, anywhere.
Officescape.
Anytime.
Anywhere.